Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create groups on Mailchimp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the left side of the screen and click on the Audience tab. After selecting Audience, look for More Options drop-down menu and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Groups. On the Groups page, you'll see the option to create groups, so go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll have a few choices to make regarding how your contacts will interact with your groups. You can choose checkboxes if you want subscribers to select multiple groups, radio buttons a drop-down menu, or choose not to show the group options on the sign-up form at all. Next, think about a group category name. This name should reflect the theme or purpose of the groups you're creating, such as interests or preferences. Alongside the category name, you'll need to add group options. Once you've set up your category and its options, click Create Group. Your groups are now established, but you still need to populate them with contacts. To do this manually, head back to Audience. From here, you can select the contacts you want to assign to these groups. Click Actions and choose Add to Groups. This allows you to assign each contact to the relevant segments you've just created. And that's it. So that is how you can create groups on Mailchimp. So that's all for this video. Thanks.